Hello, cousins. Are you a pumpkin lover? If so, I have the perfect pumpkin flan for you. Let me show you how I make it. I'm going to start by making the caramel. I am combining half cup of water and 1 cup of sugar, and keeping with the autumn theme, I'm adding in a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix on medium-high flame and allow it to thicken. My full caramel making video is on my page. Check it out for detailed steps. Once ready, I'm going to pour it into my baking pan and swivel it to fully coat the bottom and set it aside to harden. For my flan, I'll be using the usual suspects: 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 5 eggs for this flan, and 1 cup of pumpkin puree. I'll be using this guy right here, found in most supermarkets, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a dash of cinnamon, and a dash of ground cloves. If you have pre-made pumpkin spice, use a teaspoon of that. Blend on a high speed for 1 minute, then pour the mixture through a colander or strainer to make sure there are no clumps baked into the flan. Place your pan into a larger pan filled halfway with water. This is called the water bath, and bake in your preheated oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Refrigerate the flan overnight or at least 4 to 5 hours before cutting into. The next day, I run a knife around the edge of my flan to aid with releasing. Then I placed a large plate over my flan pan and I flipped my flan onto it. Sometimes you have to tap to release, but mine released easily. Hello, beautiful. Look at the beautiful color of your flan. This is a great Thanksgiving dessert idea. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, cousin. See you again next time.